What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about an amazing software that's going to help you become the greatest content creator and designer that you've ever wished to be, and I'm going to show you how to make money doing it, so stay tuned. So did you know that anyone, and I truly mean anyone, yes, you and me can become an amazing, absolutely fantastic ebook creator? Well, I didn't at first, but today I'm going to show you how to make real money, up to $200 and more, by just creating ebooks and ebook covers all in a blink of an eye, so you can get your foot right into the door and enjoy that stay-at-home profit. And for everyone who's been commenting in my Facebook group, April, can I do this overseas? April, can I truly do this anywhere in the world? Yes, absolutely. I've been searching literally far and wide, specifically to find more opportunities for you guys who are overseas and international. So this is a good one. So before we get into the goods, if you're new here, my name is April and I am leading the way for stay-at-home profit. So tap that like button and subscribe if you want to stay in the know for stay-at-home profit. So the big selling for quick digital product platforms are Fiverr and Upwork. These are platforms where people are selling services like photo editing, logos, design, graphics, and even what we're talking about now, ebook creation, and even designing ebook covers. Now, the problem with these kind of platforms is that it may seem oversaturated. You look on there and the first thing you see is tons and tons of people who have older profiles and tons of reviews. So they keep getting more and more business. The rich get richer, am I right? So what I'm going to do for you today is I'm going to show you a lesser known platform that will allow you to sell services like design and ebook creation with lesser competition. But just so you know that there's an actual need and an in demand for this, let's jump on Fiverr and look up ebooks. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of demand for ebooks all over, and if you think about it, it makes sense. Huge or even small businesses want to sell and offer ebooks, but they just don't have the time to learn how to design it or even design it themselves if they have the knowledge and tools. So someone like you can take them up on their offer. There's also sites like Upwork. You can see that tons of people here are making a killing as well. $82, $45 an hour, $75 an hour, $49 an hour. They're making about double and probably taking double the amount of the time it would take you. Imagine getting paid $45 an hour for barely any work. It can be hard to get started on these sites, as there's so many people that have already dominated the market here. So your other options are finding targeted Facebook groups or trying to sell your ebooks for less than what they deserve. So here's the lesser known platform. So this site is similar to Fiverr and Upwork, but it's significantly less ran over. It's peopleperhour.com and it's ran out of the UK. So if you type in ebooks, you can see these are getting sold anywhere between 15, 30, 40, 75 pounds. So if you want to go by USD, they're a lot more than what it looks like. But even if you look at these numbers, they're truly amazing. Alrighty, so all this build up. What is this amazing software, website, platform, whatever you want to call it? Well, with this website, you'll be able to make some amazing money daily. And you can even turn this full-on side hustle into a full-fledged career, all from being at home wearing your elf pajamas. So what is this incredible website? Scribble with a Q. Scribble is a low-key ebook generating machine, creating amazing ebooks and reports in just 5 minutes. So what is Scribble really? Well, let's go in and check it out. It's easy to use with simple software, has many templates for stunning designs, creating ebooks within 60 seconds, instant content, and commercial license. 100% of the profits go to you. Just click, design, and publish your own ebooks, reports, and white papers in minutes. Never again will you have to waste hours searching for a good designer, wait 5 to 14 days for the designer to come back only to hate it or have to do multiple revisions, spend $100 to $500 per design template from stock websites. No. Best thing is it's compatible on all computers. No installation required. So Scribble essentially is the only ebook creator you'll ever need. Now, let's go into the process of it. Step 1. Picking a template. Choose from tons of different designs and even pick out your own niche category. Each template comes with a table of contents and professional page layout that converts readers into buyers. Add instant content. So having those days where you have writer's block, don't even worry about it. Just enter URL and watch Scribble automatically fill your pages with fresh, ready-made content. You can fill your ebook with a selection of 1,000 instant niche articles from their built-in content engine at a push of a single button. Or have your own content, just upload your Word file, then sit back as Scribble automatically extracts the content from the document and puts it into your ebook. So no more worrying about formatting and trying to get everything to look good. Scribble does it for you automatically. If you're feeling creative, start from scratch and write content yourself and copy and paste directly in. Sounds like the easiest software to create an ebook out there. Well, because it is, guys, there's no coding needed, no fancy Adobe software, just basic drag and drop and click and done. A great all-in-one software. And like I said, if you don't know about the content, let Scribble do it for you. If you can't design an eye-catching cover, let Scribble do it for you. If you don't know how to arrange things to make them look nice, let Scribble do it for you. It's so easy. It's the done-for-you solution for ebooks. So all of this amazingness can't be free, right? Well, you'd be right. You will have to invest in this new ebook creating machine of a business you're going to create. $100, $500, $1,000? No. Scribble is only $67 for unlimited uses, no subscription, no pay by the month, just $67 investment that you can make back with just one ebook sold. And it looks like they have a coupon code that you can use right there that saves you $20. So there you go. Only what? $45 and you can have this amazing software at your fingertips. Not that bad if you ask me. So $45, man, I was hoping it was going to be free. I totally get that, 100%, but if you play your cards right, use people per hour like I showed you, you can get 1 gig on there for $50, wait for someone to pick it up, then go to Scribble, and there you go. There's your start to your ebook creating empire. I mean, creating ebooks in general is a great source of income. If Scribble isn't your thing, that's completely fine, but this is definitely something you think of when it comes to making money online. And that's why I'm here. I'm here to show you how many opportunities there truly are out there to be able to free yourself from the 9-to-5 lifestyle or that stay-at-home lifestyle that's not making you any money at all. I want to show you options that will make you true money from home. There are some other softwares out there like Canva and even Designer. Don't forget to check those out too. So now I'm going to quickly show you how to get those first few clients, because obviously that's what everyone is thinking. All right, April, this sounds great, but sounds too good to be true. How do I actually get those clients to pay me? Well, here, follow these few steps and you'll be able to grab your next 3 to 5 clients like that. So I would head over to peopleperhour.com and create an account. Look at what everyone is selling these services for and do it a little bit cheaper and get those first 2 to 3 clients in. Or what's even better about peopleperhour.com is going in and looking for people who are specifically hiring for these projects. And if you don't want to use peopleperhour.com, head over to sites like Fiverr and Upwork and look at what everyone else is selling them for, or heck, just do it for $5 to $10 each and build up that trust and reviews so then you can start raising your prices. Once you start blowing all these people away with your amazing designs and using this amazing tool, once you start blowing them away with your amazing ebooks, you'll be able to start charging more and more consistently. You'll build up an amazing trust factor with amazing reviews, And then you could be the king or queen of ebook creation. Of course, it's not gonna happen overnight, but I want you to think of the possibilities that in just a few short months with using this amazing tool, you can truly build your content creation empire. If you want to join an amazing community all about that stay-at-home profit, go and head over to Facebook right now and join my Facebook group, Stay at Home Profit. And if none of this ebook stuff is for you, go to the description below and download my step-by-step guide on becoming a virtual assistant. Thank you guys so much for watching and can't wait to see you the next video.